So students, first question is that now open your NCERT book. I will tell you ki where you will get the answer of this particular question. Clear? Please open NCERT book. देखो, the first simple paper question is that name a cyclic unsaturated carbon compound. I will also explain the answer of this question. Only देखो, question is that name a cyclic unsaturated, बेटा don't talk now है ना, unsaturated carbon compound. Wait, who's saying that ki saturated unsaturated? बेटा no, carbon in its compound from this chapter beta only the last we can say that the allotropes of carbon like diamond, graphite and Buckminster Fullerene's the structure of this wait structure of this, or we can say that the details of this chapter is deleted and enlarged the properties of ethanol and the properties of the ethanoic acid. So this is the also part of the properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid. Okay. So okay, keep quiet. Listen. Up in this question, beta, where you will get the answer of this question. So in this question, you know very well beta कि what is the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. बेटा कर दो. Wait. आप लोगों के कन्वीनियंस से रिलेटेड अगर सारी चीजें कंप्लीट हो गई हो तो मैं पढ़ाना स्टार्ट करूं. सबसे ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब करती इस क्लास में गर्ल्स. And these things I was also saying from since like 9th class and 10th also. I don't know when you will be get serious. So better understand, carbon compound means those compound which we have formed by the carbon is known as carbon compound. It means कि carbon will be formed with hydrogen, oxygen or any kind of other elements, that is all kinds of carbon compounds. And main thing is that beta here hydrocarbons. Now what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means when carbon especially combined with hydrogen, it is known as hydrocarbon. Like CH4, methane, C2H5, etc. Is it clear? Because all are example of hydrocarbon. So here another thing is also what is saturated hydrocarbon and what are unsaturated hydrocarbons. When carbon will combine with other carbons with a single bond, it is known as saturated. Unsaturated means when carbon will combine with another carbon in hydrogen as well, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. There is the alternation of single bond, double bond, or we can say that R triple bond, that is known as unsaturated. So here another thing is also that is cyclic. Means if you know or you have to remember the properties of or the structure of carbon. What? Okay, first of all, another thing, very important question is that what are the, we can say that the main two properties of carbon by which it so we can say that कि which type of nature carbon कौन सा nature show करता है especially which type of nature बेटा कि tetravalency and second one is that catenation. Wait. So catenation means beta when carbon will show the structure. Catenation in the sense कि carbon की special property होती है, carbon will be make a chain form. Okay, three types of structure are shown by the carbon. That is the chain form, long chain means carbon will form the long chain. That is another thing is branch shape or carbon make the branch shape structure. And third type is that is the cycle, or we can say carbon will be formed in the cycle. So here is asking about the cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbon. So simple thing is there, one cycle will be formed. Now another thing is there beta, that is the unsaturated carbon compound. So unsaturated in the sense कि एक ऐसा diagram जिसके अंदर in which carbon will also the chain structure, and second thing is double bond is also formed over there. So the best example is beta, that is either you can make the penta or we can sorry जो आपका दो टाइप के आपने देखा होगा कि एक बेंजीन स्ट्रक्चर है. In benzene structure the formula is C6H6. Okay, and next one is C6H12. Now देखो what is different between the two structure? If we are talking about the unsaturated, so unsaturated in the sense alternate single bond, double bond. So 6 carbon are there, 6 hydrogens are there. So you have to form the structure cyclic, one carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fifth carbon. Okay, in this way the carbon will be a ring structure. That is the cyclic structure. Now, how many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogens are there. So each hydrogen will combine with carbon. So in this way, that is the diagram of which diagram? There is. अब listen. Only 6 hydrogens are there. तो ये valency complete नहीं होनी. So if valency are not complete, so beta here in carbon carbon single bond, then यहाँ पर double bond है. Then single bond, then double bond. Okay. Then single bond, double. So here is showing the single bond, double bond. So it is known as unsaturated, and the diagram is cyclic. Now, if the question is changed, and here suppose is asking you have to make a cyclic saturated hydrocarbon. So that time you have to note down the formula of C6H12. Now here that double bond is replaced by the number of hydrogen because 6 hydrogens are in the addition form. क्योंकि 6 हाइड्रोजन और 8 हो जाएंगे तो क्या डबल बॉन्ड क्या हो जाएगा, हट जाएगा. In that time the structure will be again C6H12 means that one carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. So in this again the cyclic structure is there beta. Now here only 6 hydrogens are there, but here 12 hydrogens are there. So 12 hydrogen means each carbon containing 2 hydrogen. Now बताओ here. Now you have to tell me बताओ here the double bond will become or not? No, because the hydrogen is there. Clear now beta? So that is a very important questions, and only one mark question is there, but we have to cover 2 or 3 questions here, not only single question, because I have explained the full concept of this question. Okay, now next question. But next question there is no need to make, but we have to only understand because all things are given in NCERT. Now another question is there beta, that regarding physics. So physics teacher will be beta tell about this question, but we have to discuss. Other that day, that day I have explained here sample paper is divided into 3 portions: section A, section B, and section C. In section A, all the questions are very short type of question, or it may be possible it is MCQ, or it may be possible there is a assertion reason question, and the fourth type of pattern is value based question. अब तेरा मुंह बंद कर ले, सच बता रहा हूं मैं, मेरा दिमाग खराब मत कर लेना, सच बता रहा हूं. तो वो पढ़ना है तो बैठ, नहीं तो क्लास में आ जा. Now next question is that is the value based question. अब देखो in this value based question again I am saying that beta don't understand, it is not your English subject. Sometimes students understand that is the value based question and answer is also given inside the text. No, it will only relate to you कि from which topic the questions is given, and if students concept is clear regarding that or particular chapters, only that time you have to answer this question. Now suppose understand, first of all read the carefully the whole concept or whole value base. Okay, what values are given? The growing size of human population is cause of a concern for all people. The rate of birth and death in a given population will determine its size. Reproduction is the process by which organisms increase their population. The process of sexual maturation for reproduction is gradual and takes place while general body growth is still going on. Some degree of sexual maturation does not necessarily means that the mind or body is ready for sexual act for having and bringing up children. Various contraceptive devices are being used by the human being to control the size of population. Now tell me from which topic that paragraph is taken. How do we autism reproduce? And particularly topic is birth control process and reproduction. So question will be also asked from this particular topic. Now listen first question. The questions are given. The first question, list two common signs of sexual maturation in boys and girls. A very simple question. This question you have to learn in the 8th class. List two sign by which list two common sign of sexual maturation in boys and girls. A simple answer. Again, I am saying that sometimes the questions, sometimes students write according to their opinions, write the answer. Suppose कि कोई proper पढ़ता नहीं, students कुछ तो भी आंसर लिख के आ जाते हैं और इतने गंदे आंसर लिख के आते हैं कि एग्जामिनर को भी शर्मा जाते हैं. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ रिगार्डिंग द रिप्रोडक्शन. So, because I have checked some time with copies, okay. This time, this year, I also checked the board copies from where I don't know. पर मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ तो according to NCERT you have to write this. Otherwise, whole answer will be cut down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Beta, what is the strength? 44. 42 minus 3 so what was I saying? Beta, I was saying that I was saying that beta ki don't write answer of such kind of questions from yourself. Whatever the correct answer is there, but please take it seriously. Again, I am saying that if you are writing from yourself and it is not correct answer, so examiner recognize easily, they will all cut down the answer. Okay, a simple answer is there. Suppose the sign in the boys, the very important hormone which is secreted by the testes, so there is a secretion of testosterone. Okay, and second thing is that the common signs are there. We can say that when they will come or across the age of adolescent stage, so beard will become, mustache will become, etc. Or we can say the simple answer, the formation of gametes, that is sperm. Simple answer. So testosterone plus formation of sperm. Two line answer is there. In girls, second in simple words is there beta, estrogen hormone will be secretes. Okay, and second thing is that the sex gamete cell, that egg cell will be formed. Or menstruation cycle will be start. Simple answer. So this time you have to write, not write anything according to you. Okay. Second question. The second question is that beta कि what is the result of reckless female feticide. अब देखो reckless female feticide in sense कि is speaking about the reckless in the sense लापरवाही in हिंदी में. Okay, so reckless of female feticide मतलब what is the result of reckless female feticide कि अगर इस youth में, इस generation में we are not taking this seriously, only every couple wants to the male we can say that the baby, okay, yeah, baby boy. So what is the result or what is the consequence if everyone want to the only baby boy? So if in upcoming time the boys ratio will be increased and the girls ratio will be decreased. Okay, so what will happen ki boys ratio will be increased and the girls ratio will decrease. So obviously beta it will be directly affect the population. Point is clear? Okay. Now, another question is that which contraceptive method change the hormonal balance of the body? Of that time in online classes, I explained some the birth control method. In birth control method, various kind of methods are there. First method, that is barrier method. Second is that beta we can say that yes, oral methods is there. In oral method, beta which important discussion is going on between you? Huh? So teacher is there now. हाँ चल. Now what is your question? So at that time I explained that there are various kinds of methods are there. Birth control. First one is birth control. Sorry. First method is the barrier method. Second is the chemical method. अब in the chemical method, देखो two types of methods are including in the chemical method. Oral method as well as vaginal method. Now, in oral method, some tablets are there, some medicines are there, which taken in between to 72 hours of the copulation. Now, what will happen if any female is taken that kinds of we can say that pills or tablets, so they can change the hormonal balance. That tablets will be secret special types of chemicals, and that chemical will change the hormonal balance. Means that kind of hormones does not allow to fuse male hormones or because the male gamete cell and female gamete cell. Point is clear now? Okay. So simple answer is there chemical method, and inside the chemical method oral method. Those medicine which is taken by the mouth, that is known as oral method. Those methods are those medicines which directly inserted into a vagina, that is known as the vaginal method. Simple point is there. Okay. After that, next question is that write two factors that determine the size of population. Two factors are there that are increasing the size of population. Birth methods are we can say that the birth rate is increased and moral or we can say death rate it decrease. Okay, simple point is there. But nowadays the birth rate is increasing and death rate is decreasing, due to which ultimately the population is increasing day by day. So simple questions and answers are there. No any kind of we can say that the more discussion या फिर ज़्यादा study करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Clear all? Okay. Now next question is that beta. Again value based question is there and listen carefully. This is regarding the beta our environment. Human body is made up of 5 important components, of which water is the main component. Food as well as the potable water are essential for every human being. The food is obtained from plants through the agriculture. Pesticides are being used extensively for a high yield in the field. These pesticides are absorbed by the plants from the soil along with water and minerals from the water bodies. These pesticides are taken up now aquatic animals and plant. As these chemicals are not biodegradable, they get accumulated progressively at each trophic level. The maximum concentration of these chemicals get accumulated in our body and greatly affect the health of our mind and body. Our environment. Now which things are given? That time I have explained a very important term, what is biological magnification. Answer is that the accumulation of harmful chemical substances on last trophic level, and if that non-biodegradable substances or chemical accumulated in the trophic level, that is known as biological magnification. So different trophic level, which one is the last trophic level, inside it will be accumulated much more amount. Example is there. Suppose one terrestrial food chain is there. So in grassland terrestrial food chain, first of all the plants are producer. So we have to provide pesticide as well as fertilizers. and one very harmful chemical substance, that is DDT, and it is a non-biodegradable. So when we are involving DDT in a fertilizers, so we have to spread on the side, or we are providing to the soil, from which it will dissolve in water. This water will absorb with the help of roots by plant. Then if they will go inside in the plant body, so that plant will be harvested, or we can say that consumed, not harvested, that plants or their parts will be consumed by the another animals, or we can say that herbivorous animals. And if that herbivorous animals are eaten up by the carnivorous animals, so that chemical substances will reach in the, we can say that, carnivorous animals. So ultimately the accumulation of DDT is finally reach into the carnivorous animals. So highest rate of this non-biodegradable substances will accumulated into the carnivorous animals. Ultimately कहाँ पर पहुंचा? Carnivorous animals. Instead of this, suppose human beings are consuming this plant product or this plant as well. So inside the human beings also accumulated of these harmful chemical substances. Point is clear now? So that process is known as the biological magnification. That is very important. Every year the question will be asked on it. But in this paragraph the questions are different. ये तो मैंने मेरे according समझाया. But questions are different. Now here two simple questions are there. Why is the maximum concentration of pesticide found in the human being? Because human being directly dependent on the plant bodies. Is it clear nowadays? Because all the things we are getting from the plants, like vegetables, fruits, leaves, flower, etc. So if human being is consuming this such kinds of things, so obviously but inside the human beings will also accumulate of harmful chemical substances. Point is clear? Another question. Give one method which could be applied to reduce our intake of pesticide through food to some extent. One line answer is there. We should use which type of agriculture is there, beta? Organic agriculture. Do you know what does mean of organic agriculture? In 9th class, I have also explained about the organic agriculture. Organic forms or organic crops is there. Organic crop or organic agriculture, the agriculture in which there is no use of any kind of biopesticide as well as biofertilizer. Only organic things we have to use. Point is clear now? Okay. After that, next question is that various steps in food chain represent. Various steps means in food chain. Suppose various steps are there. Listen, the producer is there, then producer is eaten up by the deer, and the deer is taken up by the lion. Now he is asking that ki various steps in food chain represent. This is representing the food web, trophic level, ecosystem, or biomagnification. So beta, they are a different trophic level. First trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level. किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? It is represent the trophic level. But if is asking that beta, it is any kind of food chain. So which type of food chain is there? That is the grassland food chain is over there. ओके पर्टिकुलरली अगर वो ऐसा पूछता है कि किसका कौन से फूड चेन का एग्जांपल है, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू राइट द ग्रासलैंड फूड चेन इन देयर. बट इज आस्किंग दैट कि विच रिप्रेजेंटेड, किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ट्रॉपिक लेवल इज देयर बेटा. ओके नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन with regard to various food chains opening in ecosystem, main is now with regard to various food chains operating in ecosystem, main is मतलब main जो रहेगा उसमें कौन सा उसका रोल रहेगा? It is a consumer, it is a producer, it is a producer and consumer, producer and decomposer. Consumer, only consumer. Because only now मतलब consumer producer कब बोलेंगे कि if they are produce food themselves या फिर खुद से बनाए. So all the plants will become the category of producers. Apart from that, All things are the consumers. And the consumers are divided into three categories: primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Clear now? Huh? Bada grassland. Yes. Okay. Now, another question is taken from the chemistry. Now you have to answer up this question. Calcium oxide react with vigorously with water to produce the slaked line. Where is the ester? Wait. First I will write beta the equation. Listen. Don't talk. In this question, the calcium oxide formula is CaO. That will react with H2O. Then it will form calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. That is the reaction. Wait. अब in this question, he is asking that कि calcium oxide react with vigorously with water. देखो, that is the formula of calcium oxide, and that calcium oxide is react with water, and they are forming the calcium hydroxide. That is known as slaked line, and that is known as quick line. The difference between the slaked line and quick line. अब क्या कर दिया? चलो बड़ा तुम लोग खाओगे क्योंकि तुमने पढ़ा ही नहीं है और अभी भी सीरियसली नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, तुम बिल्कुल मत सोचो और मैं ध्यान भी नहीं दूंगा तुम. Okay, now so what will happen? The calcium oxide beta ki the simple answer is there ki it is also is in the we can say that ki in old time, or we can say that ki beta nowadays it is also used कि कुछ विलेजेस के अंदर जो मिट्टी के घर होते थे तो वहां पर क्या करते थे, स्लेक्ड लाइन सॉरी क्विक लाइन इन द सेंस कि वो क्या करते हैं कि वन टाइप ऑफ स्टोन, चूता चुना पत्थर बोलते हैं. So that stone first of all we have dissolved inside the water. So when we are dissolving inside the water, so there is a chemical reaction. That calcium oxide will react with water. And when that calcium oxide will be react with water, so there is a reaction between water and calcium oxide. Now in this reaction, अब in this reaction what will happen beta, that calcium oxide will be formed the calcium hydroxide. It means the calcium hydroxide will be formed and that is in one kind of slaked line, मतलब कि the lime water will be formed. Okay, so if it is dissolved, so it will give white color and it is used for the wash, or we can say that for painting of walls. Okay, but the question is that कि this reaction can be classified as only आपको क्या आपको recognize करना है, you have to recognize कि which there are four types of chemical reactions are there, right? Combination reaction is there, decomposition reaction is there, displacement reaction is there, and double displacement is there. So बड़ा simple answer is asking about that कि when two reactant are combined and that give a single product is known as combination. So one reactant is there, second reactant is there. दो reactant they are combined and giving a single product. So simple answer is there beta. हाँ, one thing is also there beta. Listen, when this reaction will take place, the heat will also come out. So when heat will come out, so it is a exothermic reaction. So the options are combination reaction, second option is exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, oxidation reaction. Now in last, which of the following is correct option? A and C, C and D, A, C and D, are A and B. So combination and exothermic means A and B. Point is clear now, beta? Okay. Then next question is that when hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper sulfate is obtained and the sulfuric acid so formed remains in the solution. The reaction is example of. अब देखो in this question he is asking that continuously बातें करने से बता रहा हूँ continuously. This question please carefully because in this question beta you have to observe ki what is happening over there. He is asking when hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue copper sulfate. What is the formula of copper sulfate? CuO4. That is the blue copper sulfate. Then after a black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained and sulfuric acid so forms remain in the solution. It means कि देखो that question you have to open बड़ा NCERT book. अब in NCERT chapter number 1 से एक question है. हाँ. सर इसमें नोट 5 है तो भी लगा रहा है ब्लू कलर का. No. देखो बड़ा when copper sulfate is hydrated, so that time we have to write a point H2O, but it is dehydrated. Dehydrated means there is no water. ये तो ब्लू कलर लिखा हुआ है. हाँ तो ब्लू रहेगा हाइड्रेटेड रहेगा बेटा अभी सॉल्यूशन के फॉर्म में it is formed in the solution. Okay. हाँ देख तो एक मिनट इस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ो अभी मेरी एनसीईआरटी में नोट कोई बात नहीं थोड़ा सा दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्स्ट्रा एज ऑफ एनसीईआरटी सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट बेटा कि दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल नॉट आस्क बिकॉज़ ये थोड़ा सा दिल्ली सेट का है तो एक्स्ट्रा इसके साथ दे दिया ओके इसमें एक कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल है ओके नेक्स्ट चलो अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन in a double displacement reaction such as reaction between sodium sulfate solution and barium chloride solution you know very well beta कि what is double displacement reaction अब he is asking that कि suppose double displacement reaction is going on so there is a reaction between the sodium sulfate what is the formula of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus barium chloride BaCN2 so what will happen then which will things will form the sodium will be displaced with chlorine so 2NaCl will be formed plus now barium sulfate BaSO4 अब here is asking about that कि what will happen exchange of atoms taken place exchange of ion taken place a precipitate is produced and a insoluble salt is produced. अब what will happen beta? The correct option is that there is two reaction. First one is there beta. There is an exchange of atoms. Yes sir. Is it? Yes, exchange of atoms and another thing is also precipitate will also form. Right? Yes. So precipitate will be also formed. Precipitate is produced. अब देखो two options कहाँ पर ये that exchange of atom means that is the first option A and C means the precipitate is produced. So your B option is there. In B option A and C two things are going on. And which precipitate will be formed? Not sodium chloride. Sodium chloride will be dissolved. Barium sulfate will be formed as a white CPT. White PPT means what will happen beta when we do the reaction between, so in beaker we have dissolved two things, so the barium sulfate will be settled down in the form of white precipitate. Always remember about it. Don't confuse about the sodium chloride because sodium chloride will be dissolved in it. Okay? Now baking soda is a mixture of sodium carbonate and acetic acid, sodium carbonate and tartaric acid, sodium hydrogen carbonate and the tartaric acid, or sodium hydrogen carbonate and acetic acid. So beta sodium carbonate and tartaric acid is the correct answer because baking soda in the tartaric acid जब डाला जाता है that is used in chemical form. Okay? Now. Okay. Next question. The chemical formula for plaster of Paris is. Wait. The chemical formula of POP. Wait. Better wait. Don't talk. Uh, our main motto is not only to find out the correct answer, but we have to also do the concept. All things are clear. Okay. So wait. Four options are there. First option is that CaSO4, then 2H2O. Then B is CaSO4, then H2O. After that, then C is CaSO4 half H2O, and last D is 2CaSO4 then H2. Listen. Okay. Now we go on. The reason you have to also find out about that behind the question. Ki when plaster of Paris, that is a gypsum. The plaster of Paris is formed in the form of gypsum. That is formula of gypsum. अब बेटा देखो, when the gypsum is there and two water molecules are there, we provide a heat to the gypsum. And when we are providing the heat to the gypsum, so there is a elimination of 1.5 H2O. It means इसमें से इतने water molecules will be disappear. So remaining amount of water is CaSO4 then half H2O. That's why the correct answer is CaSO4 then half H2O. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, water for all means from the chapter number water beta recently I have explained about that. So you have to give the answer of this question. First listen the question. Question is that which one of the following listen the question is that which one of the following is the responsible for the sustenance of underground water? The loss of vegetation cover, then after diversion of high water damaging crops, then pollution from urban waste or afforestation. Afforestation, it means कि which of the following is responsible the sustenance of underground water जो उसको increase कर सकता है afforestation, not deforestation. Okay, listen, he is asking कि by which we can increase the underground water level. इनमें से कौन सी चीज ऐसे करेगी जिससे अंडरग्राउंड वाटर लेवल इंक्रीज होगा? तो ऑब्वियसली बेटा लॉस ऑफ वेजिटेशन कवर तो करना नहीं. Our second thing is diversion of high water damaging crops, that will not also increase the water level. The third thing is pollution from urban waste, ये भी नहीं कर सकता. The last option is afforestation. Don't confuse between two words, deforestation, afforestation. Deforestation means cutting up tree, and afforestation means we can say that sapling up new plants and sapling up new trees. And if you are increasing the sapling up new plants and new trees, that is known as afforestation. And due to which what will happen? If more plant and more trees are there, so that increase the water table recharge, or we can say the underground water level. Point is clear, beta? So in this way, there's some important question we have to solve. In next lecture, we have to continue. Okay.